Do you think it is possible to start from the ground up and become a millionaire? Do you believe in the power of nothing? Financial background or intelligence is not required for you to attain success. You can achieve success regardless of your current financial or social status. So yes, there is power from nothing. Many people dream about becoming wealthy, but only a handful make it happen. Contrary to common belief, getting financially successful is relatively straightforward. Welcome back to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their personal finance and tackle everything about finance and financial literacy. To watch related videos and content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted. They say that it is highly impossible to become wealthy without putting in any effort. So, your dreams of becoming a millionaire can only come true if you follow the proper steps and put in the required dedication and hard work. Many people have great ideas but remain poor due to their lack of commitment. Unless you have a plan of action to turn them into reality, they will remain nothing more than notions. Making wise choices with your finances is vital when accumulating wealth. Overspending and relying on loans and financing can put you in debt and limit your ability to save money for the future. Creating a budget and understanding frugality is the best way to ensure you make smart financial choices. In contrast, if you take a less extravagant approach to life, you will undoubtedly have more capital for investments and savings. Achieving financial freedom doesn't necessarily mean you can't ever have a car or take vacations. Instead, it allows you to be more strategic with your spending. Ask yourself, do I need that expensive 60-inch TV? Or is my current luxurious vehicle adequate for my day-to-day transportation needs? Self-reflection on how you're using your money can help you to identify whether it is being spent in the best possible way. Asking yourself these questions may lead to valuable discoveries about how to utilize your resources better. So let's begin here, the power of nothing. According to Grant Cardone, anyone can become rich regardless of their current financial situation. He encourages this thought with his book, The Millionaire Booklet, How to Get Super Rich, and has dedicated 35 years of his life to helping companies and people achieve this goal. So even those sitting in an IKEA armchair can get rich if they just put in the effort. Everyone has the potential to become wealthy, regardless of their background, lifestyle, or current situation. It doesn't matter where you come from or what you own. With hard work and dedication, anyone can start from scratch and achieve financial success. Recognized as a highly successful entrepreneur, Grant Cardone runs 4 companies that generate massive revenue yearly. Based on the ideas of Grant Cardone, here are 8 steps to achieve wealth and success. These methods and ideas can be applied by anyone and guarantee positive results. He has tested them on himself and vouches for their success. First, adjust your attitude and start believing in yourself. Your economic status and education aren't the only things that have kept you from being wealthy. It's also how you perceive success. Change how you think of money and watch your life transform. Don't let self-doubt stop you from achieving your goals. Achieving success is all about having a positive attitude and perspective. Nothing is stopping you from becoming a millionaire, and you just need to believe in yourself and have the confidence that anything can be accomplished. The second key to financial success is to learn how to save. If you tend toward compulsive spending, you must learn to resist the temptation and put some of your money away for later. Instead of spending your earnings as soon as they come in, try to make intelligent investments to reap the rewards down the line. so I advise you to allocate only a specific part of your earnings to this purpose. For example, put 10% of your income aside to be invested or saved. Avoid wasting your money on luxuries like trips to tropical destinations, watches and fancy cars, overpriced restaurants and dinners. If you've been practicing frugality in the past, keep that up now too. Taking a step back from spending without thought is wise. Third, do some math. Start considering how many routes there are to earn $1 million. For example, if you can manage to sell a product that is priced at $100 to 10,000 people, you've just gained $1 million. The same can be achieved if your item's worth $200 and it's sold to 5,000 purchasers. In today's digital age, reaching a large pool of potential customers is easier than ever. Platforms like Facebook and eBay can significantly increase your revenue in this endeavor. A well-crafted financial strategy is essential for the success of any project. Even seemingly simple tasks such as opening a restaurant can be doomed from the get-go without proper planning. What is your target salary for the first, second, and third years? How many clients would you need to serve every week to meet this goal? You must ask yourself, how much money do I have to invest in generating that customer flow? Of course, your financial plan should include as many options as possible. A good financial plan is essential and should consist of anticipated and unexpected elements and the probability of success. The fourth step is to invest. As soon as you start earning income, it can be difficult to resist the urge to splurge and live an extravagant lifestyle. However, saving and investing your money wisely is essential instead of spending it immediately. It's great to have more money coming in. However, it's best to put it into a separate account. Don't include these earnings as part of your current budget. Use them for long-term investments or saving up for future holidays instead of buying unnecessary items. When it comes to investing, the smart move is to diversify. Put your money in different stocks and shares so that if one goes wrong, you still have a chance to recover your losses. It's always essential to remember that when it comes to investing, spreading your money over several investments gives you a much better advantage. Although it is not common for all stocks to decrease in value, it can sometimes happen. To reduce this risk, you should diversify your portfolio. To demonstrate this concept, let's say you had $10,000 to invest in 1988. You decide to diversify your investments by allocating $1,000 among 10 different assets. One of them is Microsoft. As we all know, Microsoft had a remarkable growth trajectory. Let's just assume that the other 9 investments didn't bring any money back and went up in smoke. Your decision to invest in Microsoft has paid off, as you're still left with $500,000. It is essential to diversify your investments so that your portfolio can take even the heaviest losses and still deliver excellent returns. The fifth way is to have multiple sources of income. If you rely on a single job, you risk losing it all in case the company shuts down. Having 3 different sources of income will help protect you from such uncertainties. It is increasingly difficult to become wealthy relying solely on a single salary, regardless of whether your job is in the public or private sector. Having a solid position with a stable income is still great, but you should also consider building up multiple income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Successful people diversify their finances instead. Having multiple streams of income is extremely important and beneficial. You could invest in a financial product, sell items online, or generate revenue. Together, These sources will help you build financial stability. You can invest in the stock market to grow your money, open a blog to express yourself, rent the property and turn it into an Airbnb business, teach a language, and acquire new skills. The sixth way is by acquiring a high-level skill. Having advanced knowledge of technology can give you the edge you need to find a higher-paying job and better chances of career growth. A high-income skill is any ability that could earn you at least $10,000 per month. Learning a high-income skill is one of the best decisions you can make for yourself. It doesn't require any financial investment, and you don't have to worry about risking anything. All you need to do is find something that interests you, hone your skills, and look for customers who need your services. Pursuing a career as a copywriter can be very rewarding, as it is one of the most in-demand and high-earning skills today. Copywriting involves crafting promotional materials such as sales pages, Facebook ads, email marketing, etc. It can quickly generate at least $10,000 per month for experienced professionals. Acquiring knowledge is the first step, either by searching the internet or investing in a good course and books. Once you have that, you need to find clients who need copywriting services and try to sell them to them. Various channels like freelance platforms, referral marketing, etc. can help with this process. With their assistance, you can optimize website copy to increase conversions. This way, you can give them a tangible value and help them improve their bottom line. The internet is an invaluable tool for various tasks, and making money online doesn't have to be exempt from that. Multiple methods can be used to increase your financial gain, but certain aspects are specific to earning money online. Here are some tips on how you can begin exploiting the internet's potential to make extra cash. Generating content like blogging, creating a YouTube channel, or connecting with people on social media can be an excellent way to make money. Learning to code and build sites or fixing them will be among the most beneficial skills to have when it comes to making money in the future. You can also try selling your products and services online like eBay. Becoming an SEO guru is another excellent option. We don't say it randomly. If you understand it, you know how difficult it is. Carry out the publishing activity. Find agreements with platforms to advertise your channels or products. Take advantage of the vast reach of platforms like YouTube or Instagram. You can use them as great resources to find potential opportunities and be informed about calls related to kickstarting your business. 7. Surround yourself with the right people. A crisis is merely a subjective term. Statements like, "There's no money around," "There's a crisis," are false. Money doesn't disappear into thin air, and it just changes hands. So it wouldn't be accurate to say there's less money around. Despite what it may seem, the amount of money in circulation continuously increases and grows. As a result, identifying those who own your money from what you sell can prove to be an advantageous move. Investing by yourself carries significant risks, including losses incurred from risky and unproductive investments. Without the right team in place, you risk being unable to pick out the ideal financial or business plan that perfectly meets your requirements. It is, therefore, essential to assemble a reliable and knowledgeable support network. Entrepreneurs need to make many complex decisions regularly. Professional help is invaluable. Skilled professionals can handle the thousands of technical issues a business person faces daily to help make the right decisions. 8. No matter how wealthy you are, never take on debt. It is one of the golden rules of financial security. Taking on debt can often feel like you're a slave to the banking system. You end up spending years of your life working off loans and facing the stress of juggling financial restraints. To avoid such an unfortunate situation, it's best never to borrow money if you can help. If you want to launch an entrepreneurial venture but fear taking on debt to do so, it's best to wait until you can afford all the costs out of pocket. This will help keep your risk minimal and give you more peace of mind. An insufficient budget necessitates us to find innovative solutions to dilemmas. All in all, money is neither positive nor negative, but just a tool. It depends on us how we make use of it. Reflect on how it impacts your life and why you value and utilize it. What pleasure and anxiety can it create for you? Can money benefit everyone? Or can it ruin your life? Make sure you have the necessities in life first. Then, focus on your growth and personal development. Once this is done, use your newfound knowledge to do something meaningful and help those around you. Stop making excuses and get started. Nobody else can do it for you if you want to change your life. Don't forget to like and share this video. Make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted.